Now we're.
This isn't too bad compared to that side. Oh wait, this tension needs to be a little bit lighter.
Not much.
Nope. There needs to be more. Nope. Yeah.
Let it have it. Just put your hip into it.
Come on.
Like we talked about, you're protecting.
Yeah. I am protecting.
You.
Yeah. There you go.
Did it move?
Some of it.
It's not all the way.
He's got tight old crunchy elbows.
Yeah, you don't understand.
Dang, Amunategi. You got freaking
There
dirt.
you go.
You got dirt in them joints.
Yeah, but you don't understand.
For me, I'm like, okay, I'll go what I think I'm supposed to do, like, and then it's like not enough at all.
Yeah.
And then I'll go a little bit more. I'm like, okay, this should be a lot more than what it is, and then it's not.
Yeah. But it's okay though, because
Wait,
I mean,
it's
we're working
not
through
okay.
it.
I want her to feel what the last one was. Remember the last one that you did? How did it feel? It was 100% like when you work out. When you explode with any exercise that you do, you give 100%. You're not, I'm gonna be half scared, 3/4 scared. You're not scared. You just go for it, right?